Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make gyoza, which is known as a dumpling or pot stickers in America. Let's begin. Alright, we're going to be making gyoza. Here's our ingredients. A whole pack of ground pork, 4 cloves of garlic, equal amount of ginger, and for the leek, green onion, and Napa cabbage as much as you want. You want to start off with the Napa cabbage. You want to julienne them nice and thinly, and then you want to place them into a bowl and set it aside for a second. Follow along with your leek, cut them into about the same size of your Napa cabbage, and then set in the same bowl. After you put the leeks into the bowl, you want to start off with the green onions, but for green onions, you want to mince them off. You want to cut them nice and small, you want to put in the same bowl, and what you want to do, you want to add salt inside. You want to excess out all the water that's in the vegetables, and you want to set it aside for at least 5 to 10 minutes in order for it to excess all the water out.
2,000 years later.
After 5 to 10 minutes, you want to excess out all the water, squeeze them off nice and hard, and then adding your pork. After you put your pork in, go in and add in your ginger, your garlic, soy sauce, salt and pepper. I prefer MSG if you have one, sake or mirin, sesame oil, chicken, and beef bouillon, the powder ones. If you have pork one, that's better. You should put the pork one if you have one. And all of these are about 2 tablespoons, except for salt and pepper. After you boil your ingredients, you want to activate your star platinum, and then you know what I'm going to do. Make sure you do it until all your filling is nicely combined. And then you want to get your gyoza skin, which you can get it from local Asian market, and take it out, put the filling in the middle, and then put water around it to make them stick together like this. And then make it into a dumpling shape, and then all you gotta do is put it in the pan and cook it. Make sure to perfect your filling, the dumpling skills, that way you can flex on your friends, your family, or your girlfriend, and then act like you're a professional chef or something, you know. Turn your heat on to medium. Drop in about a tablespoon of oil. Lay all your dumplings flat side down to make a good crust. After 35 minutes, check bottom of your dumpling, and if there's any color on it, go in and put a little bit of water, and then close the lid. You want to steam them up. Add in your cornstarch and water to make that good crust. Keep the lid open, and turn the heat to high, and look at this. That's how it comes out. Make sure you evaporate all the water to make this good crust. And all you gotta do, add in your soy sauce, vinegar, and a little bit of chili oil to make a good gyoza sauce, and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe. It will help me so much. Have a great day.